Hi, Mom.
Hi, you know you have tutoring at 5. I'll pick you up soon.
Can I skip tutoring today? I have stuff to do.
I know you're trying to play video games with your friends. You have to stop wasting your time.
No, I have a lot of homework that's due tonight, and I need to get started as soon as possible.
Why didn't you do it earlier?
Yesterday's homework took a lot longer than I expected, so I took a nap earlier. I got my homework done on time, though.
Of course you should have done your homework on time, but why did you stay up late doing it?
I don't know. I'll try to manage my time better.
Anyway, you could just go to the tutor and do your work there.
Can I please stay home and do it here? You could check up on me if you think I'm just gonna play games.
No, you should have gotten your homework done so you don't do it at the last minute.
It's hard to focus when the tutor is right next to me.
Do you not like your tutor?
No, it's just hard for me to write and work when the tutor is next to me.
So you like your tutor. What's the problem?
Are you even listening to me, Mom? I can't focus when someone is hovering over my shoulder. I don't get why you're not understanding me. Fine, I'll go to tutoring.
Did you hear him? He needs to fix that attitude of his.
Well, how do you think this went between the two of you?
How did you think it went?
I'm really worried about my son. He doesn't seem to get his priorities straight, and he's always rude when I talk to him about his academics.
My mom doesn't seem to understand that I'm trying to get my stuff done. But I also need time to decompress too. She only seems to catch me when I'm playing game or relaxing. But I always get my work done.
It seems that both of you have valid worries. It seems you're worried about your son's study habits. It appears you're feeling quite overwhelmed.
I try to help my son any way I can, but he always receives it in a bad way. He needs to study and do well in life, but he wants to play games and waste his time anytime he can.
And your thoughts?
I understand my mom means well when she signs me up for these activities and tutors, but sometimes it just gets too much, and it can get overwhelming at times.
Well, on the plus side, it does appear that both of you value academics.
Well, I would agree with that.
Sure.
On the flip side, it seems that both of you have different ways of doing things.
Yes, possibly. As long as my son handles his work and doesn't let his grades slip, then I'm fine with whatever he wants to do.
I am doing my work. It just seems like every time my mom comes into my room, she only sees me playing games.
How should we try and clear up this misunderstanding between you two?
I want my mom to acknowledge the fact that I am trying and I am doing what's expected of me.
I guess I could try to understand my son's situation a little better before jumping to conclusions.
I do think that both of those approaches would help. Let's try this again.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, you know you have tutoring at 5. I'll pick you up soon.
Can I skip tutoring today? I have stuff to do.
If you're planning on skipping tutor so you could play with your friends, you shouldn't waste your time like that. Play with your friends after you get tutoring done.
No, I have a lot of homework that's due tonight, and I needed to get started as soon as possible.
Is it due tomorrow? You spent Friday after school sleeping.
I was really tired from staying up late doing homework for Friday's classes. I needed a nap after. I should have gotten ahead, but there are a lot of projects to do since it's the last week before the semester ends.
I see, but it's still too late to cancel your tutor. I'll still have to pay either way. Maybe you can get your work done with your tutor?
I don't always feel comfortable when someone is right next to me while I'm working. I'll make sure to stay focused and get it done on time.
You can do your work at home, only if you promise you'll have your tutor review it, especially if it's such an important assignment.
Really? Thanks, Mom. I promise I'll get a good grade on this one. 사랑해, 엄마.
Of course, just make sure to do your work. 나도 사랑해.